In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Premium Ubersuggest for keyword research in 25. We'll be diving into how to maximize this tool to supercharge your SEO strategies, giving you a competitive edge in your niche. Let's get started. First off, you want to log into your Ubersuggest Premium account. Head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest and click on the Login button. Enter your pro account details, and voila! You now have full access without any pesky daily search limits. This access is crucial for the in-depth research needed to drive quality results. Next, we're going to enter your main keyword. In the search bar at the top, type in your keyword or the topic idea you have in mind. Let's say your focus is on digital marketing, organic skincare, or even something like best laptops 2025. Once you've entered your keyword, be sure to select your target country and language. Then hit the search button. Now it's time to analyze the keyword overview that Ubersuggest provides. You'll be greeted with detailed metrics, starting with the search volume, which tells you the average monthly searches for your keyword. Pay close attention to the SEO difficulty, or SD, which gives you an idea of the competition you'll face for organic rankings. You'll also see the paid difficulty indicating competition in paid ads, as well as the cost per click, which shows the ad value per click. Don't overlook the trend graph either, which offers valuable insights into keyword interest over time. A little tip here. Target keywords that display a steady or rising trend, have an SEO difficulty under 40, and boast medium to high volume. Delve deeper by exploring the Keyword Ideas section, a pro feature that truly shines here. Premium users have the advantage of unlimited results, unlike the limited access available for free users. You'll uncover related keywords, poignant questions ideal for blogging, handy prepositions, and even comparisons such as SEO versus PPC or iPhone versus Samsung. Plus, pro users can effortlessly export this treasure trove of data into CSV or Excel formats for comprehensive analysis. To refine your results, use filters effectively. In the top right of your table, click on Filter. Set your max SEO difficulty to an example figure like 40 and establish a min search volume. You might want to add words like best, guide, or review, and filter out any unrelated terms. This filtering process narrows down the keywords to those easiest to rank for and most pertinent to your niche. Let's not forget the power of competitive analysis, a major benefit of Ubersuggest Premium. By navigating to Traffic Analyzer and selecting keywords, you can enter a competitor's website, particularly one within your niche. This feature reveals the keywords they rank for and allows sorting by volume or position to uncover potential keyword gaps you can capitalize on. Once your research is done, saving and organizing your findings is crucial. Use the Keyword Lists feature, available in pro accounts, to group your keywords by topics like content marketing or affiliate marketing. Export these lists to Excel or Google Sheets to plan your content calendar effectively. Finally, make sure to track your performance. Access the dashboard and go to Rank Tracking. Add your selected keywords, and Ubersuggest will monitor your rank changes on Google, either daily or weekly, so you can tweak your strategy as needed. With these steps, you now have a powerful methodology to utilize Ubersuggest Premium for thorough keyword research. Best of luck on your SEO journey. And remember, staying informed and adaptable is the key to success in digital marketing.